Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new product for review. And in today's video we are going to review something that almost every Indian kitchen uses every single day, and that is atta or wheat flour. But not just any atta guys, this is the Aashirvaad MP Lokwan Chakki atta, a premium blend made from hand-picked wheat sourced directly from Madhya Pradesh, and today we are going to be reviewing this. So if you've been struggling with hard rotis, dry parathas, low fiber flour, then this review is just for you. Let's find out. Aashirvaad MP Lokwan Premium Blend really makes your rotis softer, fluffier and tastier. So let's find that out in this review. So for the product overview, guys, the brand is Aashirvaad, which is from a popular brand which is ITC. So Aashirvaad is a part of a brand called ITC, and the source of the wheat used for making this atta is Madhya Pradesh, and it is Lokwan wheat, which is used MP Lokwan wheat, which is famous for softness and high fiber. Pack sizes available are the 5 kg and 10 kg. What I have with me is a 5 kg pack right now. Texture of this atta is smooth, medium coarse ground atta. It is ideal for making roti, chapatis, puris, parathas, and even baking. You can use this for. This is not your average supermarket atta. It's made with MP Sharbati and Lokwan wheat grains, giving it rich golden color and naturally sweet taste. So let's talk about why MP Lokwan wheat is better for making atta and why this atta would be a good choice. So MP is known as the wheat ball of India. The black soil and abundant sunlight makes the wheat grains here larger, heavier, golden in color, high in fiber and protein, naturally sweeter as well. Lokwan wheat is especially popular in premium household for its non-gluey soft textured dough that is easy to work with and easy to digest. Now let's talk about the health benefits of a chakki atta. What are the health benefits? Let's look at it. So guys, here's why stone ground chakki atta like this is better than your uh, regular rolled milled flour. It retains wheat germ and bran, high in dietary fiber, low glycemic index, rich in iron, magnesium and B vitamins. No maida or preservatives are part of this atta. So this atta is ideal for children's growth, diabetic friendly meals, weight conscious adults and even active elderly people. So when we talk about why is it perfect for families and home chefs, whether you're a mom packing lunch, making rotis for your parents, hosting dinner and guests, this atta guarantees like perfect results every time. No sticky dough, no hard rotis, just soft, fluffy, welcome, wholesome bread every single day. So let's talk about the brand Aashirvaad. This is a trusted brand in the Indian market. Aashirvaad is a household name in India, known for like its pure ingredients, hygienic packaging, food safety, compliance, wide availability, consistency in quality. Their wheat is sourced directly from farmers and every batch goes through 50 plus quality checks before packaging. It's India's #1 packaged atta brand for a reason, right? Now, where can you buy this Aashirvaad atta? It's available in your local supermarkets. It's also available online. I left a link to it in my description for Amazon, so you can purchase it from Amazon and support our channel so that we get a certain part of a commission whenever you'll shop on Amazon. So a link is available in the description, so you all don't need to go anywhere. You can directly buy it on Amazon through the link, right? What do people generally say is basically they are going crazy about this atta online. A lot of good reviews coming online, and hence looking at those reviews, I also purchased the atta. And the chapatis made from these atta are super soft and have a lovely texture and very easy to digest. Now, some of the pro tips I'll give you all for best rotis with this atta is that basically when you are kneading the atta, always use warm water, right? That makes sure that the atta is soft. Let the dough rest for like 15 to 30 minutes before you'll roll them out. Cover the roti with a cotton cloth so that it retains its softness, right? Store leftover dough, whatever leftover dough is there, store it in an airtight container and refrigerate it so that you can use it the other day. Add a pinch of salt and oil for extra pliability while kneading the atta. So guys, this was my review about the Aashirvaad MP Lokwan Atta. And if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.